Rice,
Bread pies?
No, breakfast.
Oh, breakfast. I'm okay.
veg cutlet, bread omelette,
I'm okay right now. It's too early. Maybe later. Thank you.
chai, poha veg cutlet, उपमा पोहा बोलो जी, इडली वड़ा, गरम ब्रेकफास्ट नाश्ता बोलो जी, नाश्ता पानी वाट
What is this?
राइस चपाती दाल सब्जी सब
This looks alright, to be fair. Just rice and some potato. Okay, how much is this, please?
180 chapati.
That's chapati. Okay, perfect. Keep the change, it's okay. Koi bad. It's good? Tasty?
Tasty.
Tasty, okay. Spoon is in here. Right, okay, there we go. Spoon's inside. Let's have a look.
Yeah, that's
Ah, okay, perfect. Hey, that's alright. Well, there we go. Nice friendly man has sold us this meal on the train. Some sort of dal, rice. Right then, we've mixed the potato with the rice. Here you go, Kat. How is it?
Spicy.
Spicy, of course. We're in India. We love their spice.
Spicy.
Jesus.